Understanding, hit a dead end in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, hit a dead end. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to make it crystal clear. Hit a dead end is a metaphorical phrase in English. It originally comes from the literal situation where a road or path ends and you can't go any further. In everyday language, it's used to describe a situation where progress is no longer possible. It often refers to reaching a point in work, discussions, or plans where no more advancement can be made, either due to obstacles, lack of options, or the end of useful ideas. This phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few. 1. Problem solving. When you're trying to solve a problem but can't find a solution, you've hit a dead end. 2. Discussions or negotiations. If a discussion or negotiation stops making progress, it's said to have hit a dead end. 3. Career or personal goals. When someone can't advance further in their career or personal ambitions, they might feel they have hit a dead end. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. Our research team hit a dead end after several experiments failed to show results. I feel like I've hit a dead end in my current job. There's no room for promotion or growth. Variations of this phrase include reach a dead end, or come to a dead end. These all carry the same meaning but can be used based on personal preference or context. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of hit a dead end. Remember, understanding these common phrases can significantly enhance your English communication skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.